First we'll prepare pakwan, and for preparing pakwan these are the ingredients we needed. In a bowl add 1 cup of flour, half a cup of wheat flour and salt to taste. And at this time you can also add carom seeds, as I forgot and I added it later, and mix these dry ingredients properly. Now at this time add milk gradually and start mixing it until it forms a dough, and in between also add half a cup of water to it in order to form a dough. Once the dough is prepared, take some tablespoons of oil on your palm and start rolling the dough on your hand. Once it forms, and you can keep it in a bowl and cover it with a damp cloth for around half an hour. Now we'll take a chakla, a roti maker, and some flour into a bowl, and we'll start making small rolls of the dough. But before rolling, we'll mix the dough properly as it sticks. Now we'll cut it out and make some small rolls out of it and keep it in a dry flour bowl. Now we'll start rolling the small rolls as shown in the video. Before frying it, we'll prick it with a knife or the back of the spoon like this. And in a pan, we'll start frying it. After it becomes a little light brown, you can take it out as it will form into a crunchy flatbread. Now we'll start preparing our dal, and for dal these ingredients are needed. In a bowl, we add 1 cup of or 200 grams of chana dal and soak it into water for around 1 hour. After soaking it, we'll add it into a cooker and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste, and we'll keep it on gas for half an hour. We'll start preparing our tadka, and for that, in a pan add 2 or 3 tablespoons of ghee or some oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add the chopped onions into it. We will cook these onion until it becomes light brown. Once onion becomes light and brown, we will add ginger garlic paste into it and mix it properly and leave it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add red chili powder, red chili masala around 1 tablespoon, and 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now we'll add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies, which are also chopped. Prepare another tadka in which we will add cumin, asafoetida and mustard seeds, and we will add that tadka into this tadka for some extra flavor. Now we'll form a puree of this tadka and we'll add water into it and cover it for some time. Once the puree is formed, we'll add mango powder, that is amchur powder, and some salt to taste. Once the oil come up in tadka, we'll add this tadka into a dal which is prepared. And our chana dal is ready. You can top this dal with some garam masala and freshly chopped coriander. And our dal pakwan is ready. You can serve it with lachha onion and some green chili.